So I'm gonna try every single one of these every day, just for fun. Starting with these jalapeno poppers, because it's literally the last one. So just pay, and then it's number 118. So 118. Nice. We got the goods. Now we just need to find a decent spot to eat these. Right, I think I found a spot. To be honest, I'm not really excited to try these. They look like something you'll get out of a dollar store. So my expectations are very low. I feel like it's going to be very bland and stale. Let's give it a try. Strong smell. Oh. I was actually very wrong. These are cheesy as fuck. They're not spicy, but you do get a little kick of jalapeno flavor I actually like. And they're not stale. Oh, what a pleasant surprise. Only 2 grams of sugars. Well, how much carbs? Well, 19 grams, so it's not keto friendly, but still. It's pretty damn good. Ooh, I do feel a little kick now. It's not spicy, but there is a kick. I really like these. So good. Alright. I forgot to mention that I hate ranch and sour cream. And those are 2 chips there that I've seen. So my goal is to try all the chips. I'm going to avoid those. Maybe until they're the last to try, but I don't want to try them. See what happens tomorrow.